From now, won't go back. I'm trying to see how much bread I can make. Why do you think that I brought this weight?
It's a Tesh vibe, you know. Anyways, UK vibes, UK vibes. Good morning, everybody. Tesh, good morning. Virus and Thra. Steve, good morning. Ryan, good morning. VLK vibes. Jay, good morning. Nikolai, good morning. Grim, right? Right, Grim? Good morning, William. Good morning, Agent. Fun? Yeah. How did I NXU looks nice. Very, very, very nice. Very, very, very nice. What else do we like going into the open here actually? So music is a bit loud there, isn't it? Okay, so NXU. Perfect. Christian, good morning. Lizzie, good morning. Good morning, Nikolai. I said that already. Amanda, good morning. River, good morning. Good morning, Amando. Oleg, good morning. A, good morning. Jericho. Green, not greedy. Jay, good morning. And good morning if I missed you. Emma, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday. Tesla, what an absolute monster. At least with the Tesla earnings, if you're holding Tesla long term, you know that Tesla isn't going anywhere. Not that it was ever a question. That's a pretty nice gap up. Menor, good morning. Lori, good morning. Chase, good morning. Hello, everybody. Yeah, so Tesla had earnings last night, guys, and a whole bunch of price target upgrades this morning. A whole bunch. You know, trust the analysts to come in after the fact and give you a price target upgrade. Sean, good morning. But congratulations if you're holding Tesla. In terms of like some of these momentum stocks we're paying attention to, obviously you can kind of see NXU cooking into the open, so that's good, right? Your next resistance is closer to 80 cents. The closer we get to the open, the more likely that if these stocks are still performing, then I'll look at bigger time frames. Right. For now, though, again, NXU clearly is cooking into the open, 200 and whatever percent. Right. So congratulations if you are holding this one, Carl. Good morning. Um, make sure we have this. And then, what's Peggy doing, by the way? Peggy's just dead, isn't it? Trust Peggy, you know. And then NXU. Perfect. Perfect. Not that I really want to be paying attention to Peggy, but just anyway. So yeah, that 80 cents for NXU is your next resistance. So just keep that in mind. It's sitting at the 200 on what time frame, Nikolai, the daily? I'll take a look at Wisa. Husa. And then ZENA, obviously, ZENA has been nice, right? Really good stock. I think we initially got into this one early this morning because Grim had this nice little uptrend going in Discord, right? This nice little uptrend. Um, but then what I was looking for was a break of the other trend instead, right? This little trend here, right? So as soon as that broke and it was holding the 9, holding the kernel, everything was good. Monies, give me the monies, please, right? And then boom skis. So nice little scalp on this one. You can kind of tell that we had like there's supposed to be a level at $2.80, even though it's not really holding the best. Let's see what happens at 280. Alrighty, if not, then you're looking for 260. Let's see if we can sell up, consolidate, and then curl into the open. Alrighty, D, good morning. Hello, hello. Alrighty, and then so BOF is another one. That thing really isn't doing much other than holding the 200 EMA for now, so that is okay, right? So watch $1.90, $1.97, $1.99, right below $2, right? There's a bit of support there. CCTG, meh, nothing, right? Even though actually yeah, so CCTG looks like it's holding a demand zone closer to 270. So watch that range, and then LGCB holding 50 cents. Paul, hello, good morning, hi. So that 80 cents is still resistance here for this, and for Tesla, 245. Alrighty, 245 resistance, but now into the open. Cool. Okay, let me pull up some of these. Let me pull up a new chart and look at some of the names you guys are asking for. So if you have any questions, please go ahead and ask. right? And then we have 11 minutes before the market opens. In terms of WISA, oh, it's up 4% actually, 8 cents. You're not in a position though, right, Nikolai? So 1, 3, and 5. Okay, let me take a look. Mm, oh, that thing had a pretty good run earlier. Yeah, 220. That's why you're looking at it. I don't mind it as long as it stays above $1.80. Already, as long as it stays above $1.80, I don't mind. I don't like what it's doing just because it's lost all the gains. I don't like when stocks do that, like when lower highs and T-Rex into the abyss. But now though, as long as it stays above $1.80, it might be a nice little gamble because really you're risking like 3 cents, right? It might be worth the risk, right? Just make sure that it stays above $1.80, and then if anything else, 175 would be filling the gap. But if it goes below 175, throw that thing in the garbage, and then come back and pick it up on Monday. TVGN. Wait, who changed their name to Mullen? Who did that? So TVGN, I don't know if you have a question to you, Robot, but TVGN has support at $3. So as long as it stays above $3, there's a little bit of hope. Alrighty. Let's have a great Green Day. Let's have a good Thursday. No stream tomorrow, by the way. Tomorrow is Discord day, guys. Tomorrow we will be in Discord. You know, anyways. Virus, don't fight me. Bob, good morning. Good morning. WZ, you changed your name to Mullen. Okay. Okay. Let me take a look at Fun. I saw Fun this morning, and someone gave it like a $40 price target, but right. I think we looked at Fun yesterday, and tomorrow is discount day. Yeah. Tomorrow is cooking Discord day, guys. Your question is where is the top for agent? I would. What's your position? Give me some details, right? Because you're asking me to look into the future and say, ooh, I see sunshine, I see rain, I see violence. Anyways, so let me know where your position is, and then we can go from there, right? You wanna always ask questions from a position that that gives you full control, right? Like if I'm in a position, I want to know what to do, not what could potentially happen, right? So I don't know where the top is, but we can talk about your position though. uh No, perfect, Nikolai. Good. That's exactly what you should be doing. Exactly what you should be doing. Again, sometimes I say this all the time. Like when it comes to trading, like your mind is programmed in the complete opposite way of what you need to succeed in the market, right? That's why 90% of people like lose, according to the stat, right? 90% of traders lose. It's because you have to kind of rewire some things. So absolutely. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. So it looks like we're still holding that 280 for ZENA. ZENA, the queen, guys. The goddess of. Wait, is ZENA? What's the meaning of ZENA? I want to know. Meaning of ZENA. Because it might be like this whole cool name. Ooh. Belonging of Zeus. You guys see that? Oh, wait. If this thing gets back above $3, all day cooking. All day. Bring your plates. Feminine name for Greek of Greek origin, meaning or belonging to Zeus. Life of Zeus. Uh, Zeus, god of the sky, considered to be a protector, supreme ruler, father of la, 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 la. Belonging in the sky, huh? Yes. And did a lot of. Take a look at NXU, Alexander. Any potential here? Absolutely. I mean, there's been a lot of potential, right? It's up 200%. Right? It's been pumping and pumping and pumping. Alexander, this is why we say join us in Discord because this thing was posted in Discord early, right? 20, 26 cents, 27, 28, 29, dip, boom again, right? This is a perfect trade if you're a gold member, right? Let me know if you're a gold member and let me know what you see. What do you see here, guys? What do you see? Because this is a pretty easy trade if you're a gold member, right? Let me know. I'm just gonna stay quiet until somebody lets me know, right? What do you see, guys? I if nobody, no goats give me an answer, we can end the stream and go back to Discord because we need more teachings. right? Nope, nope. I don't see it yet. You guys have a, yeah, yeah, yeah. You guys, yeah, yeah. I like it. Okay. What was the question? To me, again, when I look at this is a pretty easy trade, right? Easy entry on both ends. You see monies, right? This might be the easiest trade you see today. It's not. It's not. But this is pretty easy, right? Very, very, very easy. From the initial curl to the breakout, it's very easy, right? And what do we call this? Is what I'm looking for. Again, if you're a gold member, what do we call this, right? Do we call this a plan? Do we call this a this? Like, what do we call this? Is what I'm looking for. Yeah, 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 yeah. Because that again, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, Emma. Yeah. Yeah, Nikolai. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, we can stay on stream. Yeah. Right. Again, very, very, very easy trade. Both ends. Both ends. Right. So I've told you guys multiple times, and I will keep saying it. You do not need to be a part of this. Right. You don't need to be a part of this. You don't need to be a part of this initial run. Right. You do not need to be a part of this. Yeah, yeah. So when you see a stock cooking and you don't know what's happening, stay the hell away because you guys screw it up too many times. Too often we see these stocks pump in pre-market and then crash the opposite way to the abyss, right? Too many times. People FOMO in pre-market and then all of a sudden they're like, but Blaze, I thought the stock was going to the moon. But I thought, right? Too many times, right? You do not need to be a part of this initial run. Why? Because if that thing can give you the second wave, it's beautiful, right? And you can still make good monies on the second wave, right? Because again, this is beautiful, right? Whether you're playing the curl from the bottom or the breakout, this is, you can replicate this over and over and over, right? So we've talked about this on one-on-ones. We've talked about this on pre-market recorded videos in the education channel. We've talked about this over and over, right? So very, 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 very nice and easy trade in the morning, right? Show the moon picture with the candle. Anyway, so NXU done really well. Again, if you're not a member yet, come join us in Discord. 205% going into the open, right? So that looks really, really good. ZENA again, god of the belonging to Zeus, is still still on the table. It's holding $1.80, $2.80, but that thing is gonna need to show us what it's made of. It's only 63%. This is unacceptable. Unacceptable, right? Unacceptable. Okay, cool. Let me take a look at, and so this is another thing. Like people will always say like, anyways, we'll talk about that when the market does open. So let me go ahead and get ready. I need the watch list. I'm gonna leave it on NXU though, because NXU is clearly cooking here, right? Cooking, cooking, cooking. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Congratulations if you got into NXU, guys. Really good scalp, right? And this is why, again, this is why education really, really, really important. Really, really, really important. Anyways, I'm gonna leave on a lot of unfinished sentences today. Pablo's not in the chat, so uh, what else do we like? Question for you guys in the chat as we go into the open. What's your favorite stock going into the open, guys? What is your favorite stock going into the open? Because I think we kind of have two names for now, ZENA because we played with ZENA in pre-market, not because it looks amazing right now, and then obviously NXU is cooking right now, right? Other than that, everything else kind of look Everything else looks a bit sus. CCTG doesn't look horrible, right? And then we're ready for the market to open. And here we go. Here we go. Again, ZENA, belonging to the sky. Or belonging to Zeus or whatever. Anyways, Peggy, you like Peggy? BOF? Yeah, that's another one. Again, they're all on here. Peggy is right there. Peggy isn't doing anything. BOF isn't doing anything either, right? ZENA needs to find a way to stay above 280, right? And then NXU, again, big run into the open, so just be careful, please, right? Just be a little bit cautious. Again, typical market open chaos, right? And then obviously Tesla, the monster, right? So 245 resistance there, and then boom skis. Yeah. Shamir, you better not let this thing go to the abyss. Otherwise, we're gonna stop that car. We'll call the anyways. So Tesla looks good. And again, no need to rush at the open at all, guys, because these things will go all over the place and you don't know which one's actually going to perform. So, but now NXU is still looking like it's good. Okay, there we go. What's ZENA doing? ZENA is going to the next level, guys. ZENA is like, yeah, guys, I dipping 260. GNPX. Interesting. Okay. Interesting. NXU is still sitting in the same range there, kind of. Okay. For Peggy. Wait, so 400% on your on the calls. Ooh. Yeah, come on. Yeah. That's a bit of a let's go, virus. Let's go. So I think we're still in the same boat where like we're still paying attention to the same two names, right? ZENA and NXU. NXU is still in that same range, right, at the very, very top, right? Again, 80 cents resistance. 80 cents. 80 cents for resistance. What's FUN doing? Again, I only have FUN because I just wanted to see what it's kind of doing today. And then Tesla is still right below that 245. $245. What is a good entry for NXU? Please explain the lines. Thank you. Again, so NXU. So these lines are here. So which lines are you asking about? Like just the red lines or what? If you're looking for an entry, so what you'd be potentially looking for here, which is really dangerous because this thing hasn't really sold off yet, is a break and hold above 80 cents, right? So I think at some point that you're better off waiting for a sell-off. Bread 250 calls, ooh, those should be nice, right? So this thing needs to break and close above 80 cents if it wants to push closer to $1. All Alrighty, so I say dollar hesitantly though because there's a lot more resistance before we even get to a dollar, right? But again, so break, consolidate above a dollar, or just simply give you a dip ski, right? Give you a dip. Maybe retest close to 60 cents or something like that. That would be better off. And then ZENA, ZENA's kind of playing games right in the middle there, right in the middle. uh, I, I have nothing to say, Rob. Nothing to say. Nothing to say. I just want boom skis. NXU boom skis or ZENA boom skis. So NXU is clearly failing at resistance, right? Clearly, 80 cents. So again, this level is not safe. Yeah, not safe. CCTG, ooh, that thing really popped off. Yeah, it did. That thing actually looked okay coming into the open, huh? Yeah, there it is. That was a nice little curl too. Sometimes there is a blessing in looking at a stock that's actually selling off into the open to support, because that's what this is doing, right? Like selling off into a demand zone, which is also support at 250, and then boom skis. So now your next resistance, if you look to the left hand side, is $3.10, but it looks like it's going to destroy that level. Obviously, the candle hasn't closed yet, right? So let's see. Let's see. I think is I'm gonna give that a second. So that's the range I wanted, but I'm gonna give it a second here because I want to see that thing consolidate a little bit. I want to see it consolidate a little bit there. If it's not going to consolidate, then we just kind of watch it. Yeah. So that's the problem there, right? So if it's not consolidating, don't touch it, right? So especially when it's dropping that quickly, you wanna be patient with it. Yeah, that's annoying, isn't it? So again, as much as you want to get into something, if it's dropping too quickly, give it a second, right? So that thing said, yeah, the sky, yeah, more like the abyss, right? So that's annoying. So our next little support here for this thing is all the way down close to $2, and so between 230 and 220. Yeah. So no consolidation yet. Yeah, exactly. So I mean, if it went to 220, that would be a lot nicer. But again, whenever you're looking for something in a specific range, the way the candle gets there is really, really important. Really, really important. If there's too much selling pressure, then that range doesn't matter, right? And then you have to look for a brand new range. Alrighty. TC just halted up. TC. Boeing is down 2.7%. That's because there was a satellite in space. Was it a satellite? Yeah, something exploded in space that was made by Boeing. So these dudes love to blow stuff up. They should be like in the military field. Boeing should they should move, change. ZENA looks like it's about to break above 80 cents down, and there it goes. That's all the dip we got. The dip just stayed in the same stupid range, right? So let's see with even though this candle just made brand new highs, it's not closed above 80 cents yet. So let's give it a second and see if we close above. Alrighty, alrighty. BOF, yeah, that thing just kind of gave us nothing grim, huh? TVGN, is it a buy? Well, I'm not gonna say yes. Yeah. So your next support though is $2.70. Right. If you go left in pre-market, you can see you get $2.70 is what I'd be looking for. Alrighty. You'd be surprised. They have a really random stuff. Oh, wow. Okay. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Tesla is a 250 now. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Sheesh. Oh my goodness! Yesterday we were trashing Tesla. Like, why is that? Why would Tesla be bringing the market down? And then today, Tesla is going up, and most of the market is going up as well. Huh? Very interesting. At least tech stocks. Yeah. What is this we business? We're trashing Tesla. He better be smiling. He better be, and I hope he's watching. Shamir, you better be. Yeah, you should be nice and green, like so green. Yeah, you should be so green that you're taking some profits off the table, right? Uh, Sounds good. Let me take a look. Mm-mm-mm. Uh, at the ask at 250, yeah, 250 is a pretty big level. Pretty big level. Shamir said he's driving, so what's up, E? Shamir said he's driving, but he's gonna be listening. So hopefully, yeah, hopefully. Please and thank you, Mike. NXU, yeah, NXU is looking like maybe this is gonna be your candle to close above 80 cents. Maybe, maybe, maybe. So again, anyways, for ZENA, right? We wanted ZENA in that 260 250 range, but then that candle was dropping too quickly, right? So we just kind of waited for that, right? Again, the way a candle sells off into a range is really important. And if you're waiting for a specific range, but there's too much, if there's too much selling pressure, then you just kind of sit back and wait, right? Let's go NXU. Uh, oh my goodness! Look at who it is. Rita, where have you been? Where have you been? Where have you been? I almost sent the FBI to find you. You know, missing person report. Where have you been? NXU's cooking. Yeah, yeah. 260%. Yeah, that was a good that was a good break. So that 80 cent candle, right? So break and close above 80 cents, and then boom skis 90 cents. Yeah. What did Peter say? Where's Peter? What did Peter do? Anyways, 92 cents. Wait, what did Peter do? Oh my goodness. What did you? What did you? You said you wanted something to keep you awake. I'm going to make pancakes. You guys are wild. What's happening in the chat? Instead of regular, I use Anchor instead of regular view app. It's 240. Good support there. 240. Okay. Sounds good. Yeah, yeah. So it looks like it finally started consolidating in that range. Yeah. Let's see if we can get above the 9 and or the 200. You know, Yogi, because that in itself just looks not amazing, right? Again, that thing was nice in pre-market, but not so nice at the open. Lots of weakness. NXU not stopping. That thing said, thanks, guys. Thanks. Thanks. So Tesla is also failing at 250, which isn't a big surprise, right? Are you in at 240? Yogi with the 2 cent stop? Beautiful. I like that a lot. I like that. FGL is halted up 303. Okay, and then NXU, let's see if we can again. So we mentioned earlier that if we can break above 80 cents, then you're looking for closer to a dollar. The high for now is 93. So let's see if we can push again. So just be mindful though, because you can clearly tell though a lot of people selling this thing before the $1, right? CCTG popped all the way to a double top, right to resistance, guys. Right to resistance, $3.10. blap straight back to the abyss, right? So yeah, Yogi, this is the problem with this now is once you break below the 200, to me that's always like one of those things where like I'm like, yeah, I want to go look for something else, right? Yeah, unless it's really, really, really consolidated there, like really, really consolidating. Usually, when something's below the 200, I tend to walk away. But so yeah, let's see if it can maybe find a bit of support though at $2.35. You got stopped out, yeah. Yeah, I hate stocks below the 200. You know, there will be times where we take like gambles, right? And in this case, maybe that's a double bottom, that's a double retest, and it does well. So again, I hate stocks below the 200. The only time I touch them is if they're really, really consolidating, right? Like a second test, maybe a double bottom, like a consistent bottom, just flat, right? And then NXU still kind of playing with that same resistance right below $1. Peggy isn't doing anything, right? So nothing to see. It's given us nothing today. Tesla looks like it's bouncing up the 9 and it's pushing towards 250 again. CCTG straight to the demand zone again. So $2.55. 255. What a sus name. Again, remember guys, there's no stream tomorrow. We're gonna be in Discord tomorrow. Alrighty? No streamy tomorrow. We're going to be in Discord. Let me take a look at LGCB, because that one kind of looks like it's bouncing. Thank you, Agent. Yeah, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, right? And if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat. Okay, there we go. What's an entry for NXU? Missed it. Unless we can retest 80 cents in curl, I'm due, right? So watch close to 80 cents, see if we're curling up 80 cents. Alrighty. Is the market losing all those gains? Market holds gains after flash. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's really going to be interesting to see how like the market ends the day today. Tesla puts pizza. Are you going to do it? You gonna do it? I mean, you're doing it at like 17% highs, right? So that might not be a good. It might not be a bad gamble. Plus, it's really really strong. It's really really high, right? So really really high and also really really strong. So that might be it might be a good thing and not so much a good thing for you. But if you look to the left hand side though, pizza, you can see a little bit of resistance right there, 251. So yeah. Yeah, virus, yeah, your long position, yeah. Are you actually gonna take those puts though, Peter? It's not a bad gamble, you know. 251 is not a bad gamble for puts. Oof, look at the size of that can. Oh, that's perfect. Look at that. Look at that chart, guys. Look at that beautiful looking chart for Tesla. Ooh. From the bottom to the top, one candle. Look at the little white line off the bottom there. That's your 200 EMA, right? You just did? I don't believe you. I don't believe you. But yeah, so again, right off the 200 and the demand zone into earnings, right? Straight to 251. So again, resistance, Peter. It looks like we're already failing off that line, right? So 251 for Tesla. So it looks like that's the same level. If you go to the left-hand side, that's the same level we failed at not too long ago. I don't want to keep scrolling back because I'm on a small time frame, but it looks like that candle hit it and backed off. Yeah, it's Doge. It's going to the abyss, right? Yeah. So again, below the 2, below the 9, below the kernel. Yeah, the few boxes that are not checked that I don't like, right? A few boxes on there that I do not like. What did we hit? 82 cents on NXU. Let's November 1st. Let's go. Okay, now it's time for okay, so November 1st. No, 220 puts. Okay. Tesla's like, oh yeah, pizza. Oh yeah, oh yeah. No, I think you give it enough time. That thing will dip skis. It's Tesla after all. Unless this is the only time. Watch. This is gonna be the one time Tesla says, "Ooh, ooh, 260 is coming." You bought it at $2.30, George. You're break even, right? So your break even and support is right between this little range here. So if it's gonna bounce, it might be now, right? Right between 230 and 220. So if I was in that same position, George, and it was in a massive position, I'd put a stop loss at 219, and then put your hands together. I'd say, Lord, remember that time I went to church and anyways, yeah. Yeah, TC is flying, Samuel. Flying, flying, flying. But yeah, so Pizza again, resistance at 251 for now for Tesla. So let's see if we can T-Rex, 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 and then come on, Tesla. We need you to be slapped. Pizza needs to make money, please. Yeah, Tesla's still failing at 251. That's the second candle now to 251. Anyways, so fun looks good. Bouncing off 1150 support, which is nice. There was a question though, was there? TC is halted up now. Yeah. $400, Chris. Well done. Congratulations. I like it. Uh, no, Peter, don't worry. Don't you worry, Peter. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. Uh, okay. Perfect. That is a pretty nice chart for Tesla, though. Pretty nice chart. Yeah. Very, very, very nice. Now Tesla is just kind of trying to decide what it wants to do. Up or down or up or down. ZENA is kind of bouncing off 230 as well for you, George. So you're slightly green in that position. And then yeah, so TC is it looks like CCTG is also bouncing off that support, right? Of the you can call that whatever, right? So demand zone bounce, double bottom, whatever, right? So it looks like it's holding it for now. See if that thing can give you a W. Alrighty, and then TC, that's the one that's been cooking this morning, right? A little bit of consolidation and then boom skis, and it's obviously halted up at 93%. To Bill Gates' car, short, short, short. Tesla is clearly not giving up yet, though, is it? You're done for the day, Paul. Meet your daily goal. Again, I'm not sure what your question is for TVGN because I answered already. So you're gonna have to ask me a proper question, please. Alrighty. You can't just spam a ticker in the chat because I don't know what the question actually is. Come on, Tesla. We want to see blood. Where's Shamir? We want to see blood. Come on, Tesla. Can you imagine? Anyways, there goes Zena. Zena's back to 240. So, George, you're good, right? You can move your stop loss to break even if you want to at this point. Slightly green, whatever you need to do. I'm leaving this stream. You sold already. Starting to take profits now, just starting to drive. Okay. Congratulations. Congratulations. NXU, yeah, here comes a retest. And red isn't already only Diddy knows. Shamir says he's starting to take profits. Starting to take profits. Let me help Peter with some voodoo arrows, Tesla. We want to see violence. Stop loss at 220. Your stop loss should no longer be at 220, just because you're up a little bit, right? So you want to try your best not to end up being in the red on that trade now already. So I would be moving that thing maybe to break even. At the very least, that okay, like you're not about to take a loss, right? Peter, he says, where were you yesterday? I'm here now, Peter. That's all that matters. Yes, Peter. There we go. There we go, Tesla. Yes. Yes. Make Peter money, please. Make Peter great again. Yes, Tesla. Tesla's defying the arrows, but it's just a matter of time. Just a matter of time. Don't go anywhere, Rob. Come on. Okay, anything else that we like? No, NXU is getting slapped a little bit there. So no consolidation at all either in this one now. It's kind of looking like a bit of a sus market the last, like pre-market fun, but as soon as the market opens, it almost feels like we're back to like, the rubbish weeks. Anyways. Peter, why not both? Why not two Lambos? Who says you can only have one color? When Tesla goes to 99 cents and it's on the shelf of Walmart, rollback prices, Walmart rollback days. They're selling Tesla for 99 cents, actually $1.69. That's when Peter's going to own two Lambos. Yeah, look at Tesla go, guys. Tesla's like the arrow? Yes, of course. Of course. Do I think it's going to rebound from here? It's trying to, yeah, right? So ROT, $2.60, bouncing off that level. Next resistance, though, is closer to 290. Alrighty, so again, support close to 260. If it doesn't hold that level, and then you're looking for 250. Okay. Gwendolyn, do you have a stop loss? Because it's at 74 cents. And also, Gwendolyn, you should join us in Discord. Why? Because again, this thing was in Discord at 20 something cents, and you just bought it at 80 something cents, right? From the abyss all the way to the moon. And then you'll say, ooh, when are the moon? Anyways, I'm laughing at Peter's comments. Yeah, so ZENA needs to stay above, right? So ZENA needs to stay above what? $2.30, right? So it needs to stay above $2.30 if it wants to push. George, yeah, cool. Tesla's like, screw your arrow. No, Tesla, screw you. Go down. Anyways, 251 resistance though. So if that thing breaks about 251, we might be selling pizza on the. We might be selling pizza on the around the corner. Anyway, so for now, 251. Yeah. TC just did on Halted. Yeah, I know it's on Halted and it popped even more. Look at, wasn't that thing just halted at 93%, guys? My goodness. All the way to 170% after the on halt? Sheesh, pizza. Why didn't you pop into this one? My goodness. There's a bit of supply there though, so that's impressive though. Very, very impressive. That thing moved very quickly. Very, very, very quickly. By the way, you want to know when this one was posted in Discord, guys? Below $2. Alrighty, below $2. This thing was posted in Discord. So, and it's tapping $4 right now. So again, if you're not a member yet, especially when we're not on stream tomorrow, you're going to be missing out on some chaos. So again, if you're not a member, click the link, come join us in Discord. Ready? Come join us. Tesla, come on now. We want to see drops. It's Thursday. Peter needs to make money. Tomorrow is Friday. You know what happens on Friday? Peter goes to Vegas. No. Anyways. Yeah, it really is, isn't it? It's kind of in a bit of a range. So you can't really say Tesla is, Tesla is weak or like Tesla is strong because it's at resistance, but it's also not breaking down. It's just going sideways in that range, right? So Tesla still needs to make a decision. Yeah, it's failing there now though, Rob. So again, I think the reason why Peter is fine with those puts is because we're failing at 251, which is a major resistance level, right? So on the daily, 251 is a problem. So yeah, let's see. Slap. There goes ZENA, guys. ZENA is holding 230 and it's back to 244. So a little bit of consolidation in the demand zone and it's trying, right? Trying. Oof. TCCG said, yeah, guys, that's not it. So again, broke below 260, broke below 250, right? Straight to the abyss. I'm surprised they didn't hold that thing on that drop. My goodness. Yeah, Tesla is just bouncing up 248.50, but then EFSH is halted up. It's a nice little pop. Hey there, Tesla bulls. Hefe, what's up? What's up? I mean, for now, we're not Tesla bulls because Tesla has resistance. We want Tesla to go down for now, Yes, Tesla, there it is. Yes. Follow the arrow all the way down, Tesla, all the way down. Just like that. I mean, it would be nice if you just did it really quickly and then went back up, but just like that, Tesla. Just like that. Rob is there blowing the candles. That's why we're not crashing. Rob, you're bullish on Tesla stock, as you should, right? Again, like I said, I think with those earnings for Tesla, I think that kind of just lets you know that if you're bullish on Tesla long term, you're gonna be okay. You're gonna be okay. Tesla has too much cash. Tesla has too much cash to do an offering. Too much cash. Again, if you're bullish Tesla long term, you should be fine, right? So dollar cost averaging all the way to 210 or whatever it was yesterday or the day before, you'd be happy today, right? So I think the only reason why we're bearish on Tesla, I wouldn't say like we're bearish. I think we're just saying, hey, like a proper retracement and then potentially continuation, right? So just because it has resistance, but other than that, long term, I think nothing's really changed. So for now, again, short term though, it needs to retrace, right? Resistance. Tesla is fighting to go up, but it's getting slapped. So here comes Peter. Here comes Peter. This is the lowest we've been since Peter bought it. So more, please. Let's go, Hefe. Thank you for the super sticker. Let's go. How come you're not a member, Hefe? Come join us in Discord. Come join us. So again, that Tesla daily chart though, absolutely beautiful. It's always nice too sometimes when you look at stuff after the fact, right? That is a pretty nice chart, right? That kind of seems like an obvious chart, doesn't it? How many things do you have going for you here, right? You have a golden candle, you have a demand zone on the daily, right? Demand zone on the daily, and you have a 200 EMA on the daily, right? And you have consolidation on the daily. So pretty nice chart for Tesla. Pretty dang nice chart for Tesla, right? But for now, though, in the short term, again, if I go back to that daily, if you look to the left-hand side, what do you see, right? The last time Tesla had a green day, it filled at 251. Well, yeah. So that's kind of a ooh Tesla, 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 Tesla. Oh, too much positivity, Joe. Too much positivity. Peter, is this Lambo number one or is it Lambo number two? I ain't kidding. Anyways, yeah, let's see where that thing can sell off to, and then you know. But again, unless it breaks unless it breaks above 251, it needs a retracement. Uh, I don't have a Grim. Yes, yes, yes. It's still hot at 255. Let's go. 17% guys for Peter. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Two Lambos and a mansion. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, so the only way that Tesla turns positive today is if it breaks above 251. The only way. Only way. TC still in the same range. Yeah, so 230 support. ZENA. I was hoping ZENA would actually perform better today, but obviously not. And then 70 cents support for NXU. Already 70 cents. 70 cents. And then EFSH still halted up Grim. There goes on hold Grim, 270. $2.69. Why is the stock at 269? Okay, there we go. 285, 290. Ooh, 295. Ooh wee. And here comes $3 Grim. Yeah, time to 290 to $3. There we go. Ooh. That's a pretty nice pop actually. Time to 310 Grim. My goodness, that thing is cooking. That famous 320 is always the fail area for the most part though, right? So 320 usually $3.20, right? And then we back off. It's going for it again though. So yeah. TC looks like it's hitting brand new highs of the day as well. Yeah, it is. That thing just exploded up. 420. Sheesh. Tesla is obviously looking weak, right? So surprise. And then again, here goes 315. But Grim, yeah, just be mindful of 320 because it's become a really common fail area. Love it. Grim, good. Good, good, good. Perfect exit, by the way. Good exit. Good, 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 good. 45 to 37. Okay. 55% virus? Come on, well done. Palantir calls? Yeah, Palantir is always looking good. Unbelievable. Here goes EFSH again. Retesting. Ooh, 318. That thing said Grim. Thank you for selling. Again, 320 is still going to be resistance until it actually closes above, right? So I still like your exit a lot, right? Especially for getting in before the halt, right? I think that's a really good exit. So you can see that it's breaking above like 320, but not actually closing above the 320. So Tesla still looking. Actually, Tesla made new lows there. Yeah, there it goes again. Pizza is up 20% now. Ooh, pizza. Let's go. Two Lambos, a mansion, and give seriously, virus. Seriously. There goes 22%. Let's go. Come on, we still need to get to the bottom of the arrow, right, guys? I'm kidding. Yes. I don't know when you're gonna sell your thing, pizza, but sell it whenever you're happy, right? 20% on consistent 20% will double your monies quickly and then over and over again. So DJT, ooh, keep sending it, virus. We need that thing as high as possible. I am thinking the market is yeah, Grim. Oof, almost back to break even. Well done. Congratulations. Come on, Tesla. More. For the downtrend. More, Joe. Hi? Oh, virus, that's true. uh, sorry, sir. Sorry. Come on, Tesla. You know you love to crash. What more do you like? Seriously. There we go. Peter, are you up 30% yet? Shush. Yeah, again, Peter, secure profits whenever you're happy, right? EFSH says, thank you, Grim. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. That was a very nice scalp. That was a very nice scalp. Congrats. Very, very, very nice. Like it. Is Tesla still dropping, guys? Of course it's still dropping. Tesla might start bouncing off like 246.80-ish. So the closer we get to like the high end of 246 pizza, just know that it might bounce. Hopefully I'm not jinxing it, but anyways. Second to validate. Yeah. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. It's bouncing already here, isn't it? Oh my goodness. Look at EFSH, guys. Did that thing just halt again? It just did, didn't it? My goodness. That thing said, Grim, I could have given all your monies back, but sheesh. Isn't that crazy? Like what have we had? Like one red candle? That thing is like it's really gone. That's impressive. Very, very impressive. Tesla is getting a bit of a bounce here, so let's see what it does with the 9 though. See what it does. uh, you know, Peter just made one, it's because Peter's been getting slapped. Let me call them back. uh, tell them someone hacked your phone and left a voicemail, Peter. Anyways. Too funny. Too funny. Yeah, Tesla with a bit of a bounce. Turn the lights off, please, and thank you. No, I think. Are you planning on holding those puts longer, Peter, or like when I say longer, I just don't like. I mean, like into next week. Like you're planning on swinging, or you're just gonna see for now. 70 cents still holding for NXU. EFSH obviously halted up. TC with a bit of a slap. Support at $3.30. ZENA is still just playing with 330, right? I mean, still holding above it, and then below the 200 EMA. Is stepping down with. I don't think that's the reason why PHUN is selling off, honestly. Right? Look at DJT. Right? DJT is red today, right? So and then you look at PHUN, and the chart is almost identical, right, agent? So the CEO doing whatever the CEO is doing isn't the reason why the stock is doing what it's doing. Yeah. Yeah, exactly, agent. Yeah. So the chart almost looked exactly like DJT. So just following along. Damn Tesla. My goodness. That thing said, Peter, I hope you bought a Lambo because I want my money back. I want my monies back. Who did this? Who did this? Sheesh. Uh, no way, no way, no way, virus. Really? No. I need to see this. Let's see. La, 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 la. You want to know why? Anyways. Oh my goodness. Anyways, uh, uh, sorry, virus. That's just too funny. That's very, very funny and very, very sad at the same time. Peter, don't worry, don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. It's only a matter of time before Tesla gets slapped again. And then EFSH is on halted, pop to 380, and then a drop, and then a pop, and then more pumping. Wow, look at that thing go, guys. Some of these stocks, you wonder how like they can just squeeze like that. Like that's impressive. Look at that thing just go. Right? Why Pizza isn't in this one? Only the Lord knows. Halted upper market orders are showing otherwise. No, it was halted, Mike. I'm just seeing your question now, but it was halted. There it goes 4.5, 4.10, 4.17, 4.20, guys. Yeah, 4.20, the magic number, right? Oh, virus. This is just wild. I'll raise Shamir. Let's go. There he is. Well done, Shamir. Did you take profits? You said you were, right? So congratulations. Well done. Well done. My goodness. Yeah, Tesla's still failing, guys. Peter, you're still okay. You're still okay, Peter. Don't worry. As long as this line is here, you are safe, Peter. You are safe. Safe. That line is from the village. Straight from the village. You're grasping Godzilla. Peter, don't worry, yo. Don't worry. Shamir, don't worry. Um, no, Shamir, don't worry. Long term, you're fine. Tesla is going to be a gem long term. Peter needs to make money today, though. Good morning, Monty. Good morning. So, 455 on this one. My goodness, that's impressive. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Unlike, Peter, Jericho actually took profits. Let's go. Well done, Jericho. Down $600. Saw the you saw the arrow. That arrow is straight from the village. Whenever this arrow shows up, magic is about to happen. This arrow doesn't always show up. Peter, don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. Yes. Oh my goodness, you made all your money back? My goodness, well done. Congrats. Congratulations. uh, well done. Yeah. Mm. Options. NVDA. Yeah. Anyways, moving on. ZENA still sitting there, guys. Yeah, ZENA still just holding above 230. Anybody still holding ZENA? Anybody? None. I hope you made some really good money though, Shamir. You should have made some really good money because you were basically all in on Tesla, all in. So you should have made some really good money, and I know you're holding a long term still, anyways, right? So I know you're gonna take some profits, but you're gonna hold some, so you should be okay. Yeah, okay, quite a few people still holding Zena then. Yeah, it needs to get back above the 200. Just break above $2.50 and it looks a lot more promising, you know? So it's a good thing that it's found a bit of a base, but it really needs to get back above 250. It really, really needs to get back above. Okay. Uh yeah. No, Shamir isn't going anywhere, but he also took profits. He had options and shares, so yeah, 20 he had shares options for 2025. So I think he's a okay, you know. A okay. La, 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 la. Okay, perfect. Hmm. Okay, perfect. You're buying calls now? You better not be buying calls now. You have enough shares to own, 10% of the float. There's no need for you to be buying shares for Tesla at this price. No need. Uh, AZTR. Let me take a look. AZTR. Oof. Uh, yeah. Manifest, you bought it at 70 cents. It went to 93 and you didn't sell. That's frustrating for sure. Yeah, because now it's at 65 cents, right? I don't know how people do that though, Manifest, honestly. Because I know you had a bigger position too, right? If you bought something at 70 cents and it's at like a damn moron, no, like it's just a learning experience, right? If you bought something at 70 cents and it's at 93 cents, $1 is major resistance, and you don't even have a stop loss at least at break even, then you're playing with fire, you know? So again, you're not a moron, it's just a learning experience. Next time put a stop loss, right? Because I bet you're up some nice monies. So and Tesla is just chilling here. Just chilling. It's like, yeah, Peter, you should have taken the gains, but yeah, we'll see. Definitely, yeah. If that's all you learned from that experience, then that's good, right? Exactly, manifest. Everybody, we're all still learning, always, yeah, always, always learning. Um, 54. Okay. As long as by the way, so Jericho and everybody else, thank you so much. I followed my plan and what you taught me yesterday, and it went well this morning. Give me a high five. Well done. Love it. Again, that's what happens when people say, you know what, I'm tired of this rubbish. I want to invest in myself. I want to become a GOAT member, right? Well done, Didi, right? So we had a really good one-on-one session yesterday, right? And I'm like, hey, Didi, it's time, it's time, it's time. No more slacking for you. No more, no more. You follow these rules or I slap you. And Didi says, yes, well done. High five. So again, if you're not a GOAT member yet, what are you waiting for? Become a GOAT member and start making monies. Peter, keep those eyes from rolling. What's Tesla doing? Oh lordy, Tesla. Good morning, Troy. Ayo, ayo. So Didi says I took 3 trades, lost 1, and made money on 2. Thank you. Absolutely. Well done. Well done. Well done, skis. Well done. Yeah, Grim, you're happy you took those profits now though, right? Because that thing is at what? Below $3 now. That was a pretty nice run though. Uh, yes, yes, yes. So if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat. Alrighty? Yes. Cheers, Tesla's going all the way back up. All the way back up to 250. You can blame Shamir for this. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, so EFSH is halted down. ZENA just keeps going back and forth, but really not doing anything. Right in the middle of like support to breaking out. So pretty useless. And yeah. Come on, Tesla. We want to see blood. Yeah, they really are, Peter. It's just going back and forth. Yup. Perfect. Okay. That's Grim. Not bad at all. Well done. Spy. Okay. There we go. Tesla coming back down a little bit. NXU is almost back to 70 cents, right? Manifest, so you're almost back to break even. Almost. Tesla still at 249. ZENA still at 240. CCTGs, yeah. As soon as that thing broke down, it was done. Right, your next support is closer to 210 here. TC straight to the abyss. And manifest, you're back to break even for the most part. For the most part. Is Tesla gonna get slapped again now? Yeah. It's always weird, like when you have these crazy runners in the market, you almost need a reset. Like we almost need like a little period in time where nothing's moving, and then we get back to like the violence. We obviously never like that, but it's always nice to go back and reset and then pump again. uh uh Curdling or curling? uh, that thing was halted down. Maybe now it's trying to get back up there, but perfect. Is it now halted? No, kind of looked like it was halted for a second. Damn, that was a pretty nice red candle there, Pizza, for Tesla, and then it recovered all of it. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Um, don't be a part of the liquidity. No, pizza will win. No, pizza will win. Pizza will win, Joe. Win abyss. That's right. That's right. EVGO important price steady climb today. Okay. Just don't look till tomorrow until tomorrow. Yeah. Peter just needs to set an alert for like a break above 250 and above that, and then pizza can panic. Panic. Liquidity on what, Abdu? What are you playing with? Looks like TC is bouncing again, yeah. TC. And again, like ZENA just keeps going back and forth, right? So we just hit $2.30 again, and it's almost back to 240. So clearly, it's Tesla has a lot of like strength. I think doesn't want to let Pita succeed. EFSH is bouncing back closer to 350 again. 350. NXU still the top gainer for the day. Yeah, it still is. Yeah, exactly, Joe. You at least you're back to break even now, though above break even for manifest for NXU. I feel like Tesla is gonna get a fat red candle, like a fat red candle, and pizza is gonna be smiling. Smiling. Tesla's kind of lucky though that the market's green today, because if the market wasn't green today, oof, that thing would have erased all of these gains. Erased. You think you're bullish? I don't know what's happening to you, but I mean the market's been reprogramming us like that, though. Every time we have a dip, we end up recovering. So, yep. Like if I look at the S&P, we're back above. We're still playing with 580. But so if we struggle to close above that level, then maybe we're gonna go back to retest the low 570s. But if we can find a way to close above 580, then I agree with you, Troy. Yeah. La 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 la. All I want to see is a fat red candle, Joe. That's it. 72. 72 manifest. 72. 72. Dan, are you scalping this morning? Scalping futures? Scalping. VWE. Triple E. Twin Peak. Twin V. That's a pretty aggressive bounce. Just like that. And it's not even at the highs of the day yet. Yeah, because of that little silly candle at 79 cents. For my early pre-market. Energy department. Yeah, Tesla Energy is actually quite impressive. I think it was, a lot of people have actually said this, that like their energy sector is gonna be better than what they've done with EVs. Where's Jax? I have no idea. No idea. Scalping futures maybe. Have a few trend lines and pips. Easy peasy. Nice 10. Very, very nice. No, 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 no. I need to get back on the treadmill, because Jax is. I need to make sure Jax doesn't win. Why you said you have no idea like that? Why? Why? What did I say? Virus. Unbelievable. Yeah. No, no, no. Long term, Tesla has, again, people keep thinking Tesla's an EV company. Long term, Tesla has things set in place that are going to destroy their current performance in EV, right? Which is really impressive. So energy alone destroys EV. Tesla robots destroys the EV, right? And then they have all the other things as well. So a robot taxi still EV, but yeah, you know what I mean, right? So quite impressive, quite impressive, long term wise for Tesla. You can kind of see why people have these ridiculous $2,000 price targets for Tesla. I'm not saying that we're going to $2,000, just yeah. Short term though, it doesn't change the fact that Tesla has resistance, right? At 251. And then after that, 260 to 265. So doesn't change. I mean, you are all in. So as long as you're getting time, Shimei, you're not expecting that to happen in the next, month, 2 months. As long as you have shares and when you buy those calls, you're giving them a lot of time, you should be okay. So you're not taking extreme gambles. You know? No, 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 no. Should have taken me with you guys. Right, Grim? Yeah. And ZENA still there? Yeah. Exactly. It's very rude to leave him behind, you know? Uh, with the earliest expiring in Jan. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, and then as Tesla pumps, you can start to take the early calls, and then you can start to take profits of those ones, and then the one after that, right? And you should be okay. So you're taking the danger off the table while you still believe in the company, right? So I like what you're doing. I like it. What's your question for QS? Hi, guy. What's your question? Peter just wants an offering, or for Elon to say something stupid. Where did you find that damn gift, Grim? Uh, is there a good is it a good dip to buy? Let's take a look. QS. Does Warren Buffett still have this company as a buy? Oh yeah, no, you missed it. You missed it. Oof. Yeah, that thing went from the bottom straight to the top, right? It's up 30%. Looks like they reported earnings and they might have given good guidance. So yeah, you missed it. You can see that resistance at $7 that we initially had here, right? That line all the way across, $7. So now if you're looking for a brand new position, you kind of need that thing to come back down closer to $6, or again, so dip closer to $6, or just break and consolidate above $7 before you consider the stock again, because that's a pretty nice pump. From that thing was at $5 all the way to $7. uh, no, 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 no. Oh, you guys are wild. Come on, Zena. We believed in you, but you gave us nothing, Sheesh. Pizza, what are those Tesla puts doing now? What are they doing? MNPR. Pizza, you know I'm on your team, right? So we're just coming back to test resistance again. Don't worry, Shamir is don't worry, Pizza. Don't worry. We're basically back to retesting the error, you know? Don't worry. I tell you when to worry, Pizza, okay? Does Tesla thrive without Elon? Probably not. Probably not, right? But I think when I think let me go look at Tesla. Goodness. EFSH 285 support. Yeah. Okay. DJT. Good morning, Sly. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, so maybe double bottoms, but break below that virus and slap. Poots. Critical, I know, right? Like it's just annoying at this point. I want problems. So slow, Doje. I know. I think this is just a side effect of what like the chaos we had last week and then earlier this week, right? Guardian, hello. I think it's just all the chaos we've had. Looney Owens, what's up with NXU? Are you in a position? Or are you looking for a position? TC, yeah, TC looks good. Next resistance 420. If we can get above $4, 420. Great success. Rax. $25 for DJT. Yeah, that's if it has the selling pressure to even break below $30, you know. Okay. Amazon calls for earnings. When does Amazon report again? Let me pull up the chart, and then it should give me the earnings. They report on Wednesday next week. Wednesday next week. And you're thinking of YOLOing some calls because you're feeling the vibes from Tesla. Why don't you just do that next week then, Shamir? I think Virus mentioned that as long as it stays above 184, right? So yeah, I can see where Virus is getting that 184 from. You already bought it, yeah. As long as it stays above, right? The lowest we've been this week so far is right below 184, right? So 183, 70-ish. So as long as it stays above that, you're fine. Alrighty. When did those calls expire, Shamir? You did, Virus? Okay. Or UPS? Yeah, as long as you're getting it on a discount. And more often than not, these companies do beat, but don't expect like so. So just because the company beats doesn't mean it's going to pump, right? Keep that in mind. So look at the last earnings report for Amazon. right? This is it right here. They obviously beat earnings. Guess what happened? That thing acted like somebody stole its lunch. Like we went from 190 all the way to 150, right? That's a pretty nasty drop. So just because a company beats earnings doesn't mean it's going to perform. So for now, again, going into earnings, there's still obviously a lot of time left. So just watch that support, right? So for now, watch that support. If we stay above, you're fine. If we start breaking below, then you might start looking into the 170s. They're reliable. Wait for and get calls and puts. Yeah. Sleeps little and listen. La 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 la. Jr. Yeah. How much is your prices for what, Julio? To join Discord, click the link at the bottom there from Nightbot. It's going to show you. So uh, if I can spell, click on the link at the bottom of the chat. Discord community legend or gold. One of those three levels. Come join us in Discord. Yeah, V gave all the monies away back, Grim. So let's make your monies, get out of it. uh, if I every time I heard join Discord, John, yeah, you'd have $1,000,000. Pizza, okay, sounds good. Well, have a good day at work and chat later, pizza. See ya later. Tesla wants to screw pizza. It's coming up to that double top again, right? So will they break this time or will they just fail and go back down? I don't know. Yeah, pizza, are you planning on holding those or you're getting rid of them? MNPR. It's a pretty good run. MNPR. Pretty good run. That's actually quite nice. So when was this one posted in Discord? 8:39. So right there, right there. It's a pretty run after the alert, actually. Pretty nice run after the alert, right there. And then boom. Pretty nice alert. Measures 2 for 2 feet, walks at exactly. See, this is why Peter hates on my height, because Peter is short. You know, look at this. Peter has a see. This is why how they say like if someone's hating on you, it's because yeah, that's because Peter is short, guys. So anyways, MNPR is halted up. La, 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 la. Halted up. There are some pretty nice scalps. Pretty nice scalps. La, 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 la. La, la, la. There you go. Peter, why are you gay? Why are you gay? When do you go back to the North Pole? Who, Peter? No, Peter. I want peace. I want peace. Mm, mm. Yeah, pizza, you holding those puts though? It's failing at the double top again, right? So 251 is still resistance for Tesla. So until it breaks above that level, which honestly, if it keeps going back up, if it goes up for the third time, I think it's gonna destroy that level. But now though, it's failed again. Again at 251. EFSH, $4.70 all the way to $2.70. Pump and dump. Pumpies and dumpies. Take your money and run. uh, la, 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 la. And right below 250. La, 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 la. Forgive. Uh, crazy, crazy, crazy. MNPR is on halted, guys, and it's halted again. My goodness. Damn, that's a pretty nice run. That's a pretty nice run. Oof. That was the alert at $6, by the way. $6 all the way to $9, just like that. Just like that. Doo, doo, doo. Vertical drop slide. Oh wow. That just seems so like such a normal transition virus, which is amazing, especially like at that age. Yeah. And that's exactly what you want. It's exactly what you want. Yeah, that's amazing. Amazing, amazing. What do you think of Rax today? You're in at $2.40. Rax, $2.40. Okay, you're green, which is good. It does actually look okay, doesn't it? Do you have a stop loss in mind, Eric? A stop loss in mind? Let me know. I don't even want to zoom out too far because I think yeah, because I think we can just use a smaller time frame and still get those levels. So what is that, 285? Yeah, so $2.85 seems to be your next resistance because it failed all day yesterday at that level and then in pre-market. And then yeah, 245, that I feel like that's way too low. But if you're okay with that, then that's fine. If you're okay with that, it is a good stop loss. I just think it's way too low. Sometimes they're like a stop is good, but at the same time, so Sly, answer your question, right? 285. Before it blows, BSFC. I'll look. Yeah. But yeah, so for Vrax, move that stop loss up. BSFC. Blue Star Foods up 16% today. Ooh, that was a really good bottom up for 45 cents, Del Mont. Right? Really good support of 45 cents. I think for now though, you kind of want that thing to consolidate a bit more above 70 cents, and then yeah, you're looking for closer to like 85 to 90, and then $1. Yeah, not bad though. Good level, especially if you got in closer to 45 cents, you should be very happy. Can I take a look at TC? No, no, no. TC, yes, of course, Eddie. Are you looking for a position? If you're looking for a position, you're looking for as close to 310, between 310 and $3 is what you'd be looking for. Um, and in a perfect world, you'd like to see that thing go back to a perfect double bottom at 290 and then bounce off that level. I don't know if you're gonna get 290 though, so you'd be looking for closer to 310 to $3 for a play on this one. Ready, Eddie? You're in at 377. Yeah, see, you're in that stock without a stop loss then. So yeah, there was a beautiful doubles up at 430. Looks obvious on that one. Um, if you got into this thing at 377 on the way down like a few minutes ago, you need to become a gold member immediately, Eddie. Alrighty. If you got into this thing at 377 on the way down, I mean, either way, honestly, you need to become a gold member because you're missing something with the entry. Either you got it at 377 and it went to $4.30 and you didn't sell it, which was a double top, or you bought it on the way down when it's crashing without any signs of consolidation, which is equally a problem. So, um, yeah, for now, it just needs to hold support, right? So put a stop loss. Um, yeah. Yeah, when I say you guys are missing some like some like some of the time like some simple stuff, some simple like fundamental stuff. When it comes to like like becoming a goat, you guys are missing some stuff, right? Like sometimes I look at your entries and I'm like, ooh, you're saving monies that you don't need to be risking, right? You either should have sold this thing at a double top or you should have not gone into that thing, and that saves you monies. No, 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 no. Let me see. Okay. Spy, I tested the bottom again. Is the gold same as regular membership? No. You need to upgrade to the gold level on YouTube. TC. I mean, it's going to the level we just talked about, right? So closer to that bottom, then let's see what happens. Could be wrong. Someone said that resistance is 70 to 80. That's fine, Eric. Yeah, that's completely a-okay, right? So for NX for VRAX, right? Yeah, that's fine. So that means you should have taken profits on your position, Eric. You stopped your bleeding. Yeah, see, that's the problem with you're stopping the bleeding at a level that it could potentially bounce, which again I'm okay with. Anytime you stop bleeding, I'm okay with it, right? So, uh, but now you're praying that it doesn't all of a sudden start pumping, right? That's what a lot of people do. Like a lot of people will look at these stocks and then they will buy the damn stock all the way up there, and then it's gonna crash, 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 and then it maybe has support at this level and it's 50-50, and then they sell it and the stock rockets back up, and then they're like, damn it, every time I buy a stock, it crashes. Every time I sell it, it goes back up, right? But it's because you're just buying at the wrong time and selling at the wrong time. In this case, again, I don't mind that you're stopping the bleeding, but you're praying that it doesn't find a way to go back up, right? But we'll see. We'll see what it does. Eric, yeah, you made money though, right? So you made monies. So again, we said earlier, right, between 3 to 310. Right? Let's see if we can start to curl up that level. If not, then MNPR is still halted up. Still halted up, guys. Pretty nice run now. Yeah. Uh, no, 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 no. Yeah. Did TC just get slapped? Yeah. So Eddie, you're happy you cut the bleeding, right? So again, it looks like it's. I mean, it's no, it's still in that same range, isn't it? Yeah, still in that same range, still holding the demand zone. So let's see what it ends up doing there. But the entry was a bit on the sus side. Samuel says, "Are you in at 35 cents? What's the next resistance?" Let's take a look. Let's take a look ski. So Femi, 35 cents. You in at 30 cents as well, Manifest? Wow, you guys are all in on this one. All in on this one. Your next resistance is 45 cents. Let me look at the daily though. Don't think it's going to change to your opinion. No, it's still 45 cents on the daily. So 45.50 and then all the way up to 65 cents, which is kind of the last break of structure area, right? This is the last time this thing got destroyed, right? So then this level is going to be very important. And honestly, this could be like every 5 cents it has resistance. Righty, so that this I say 65 cents because it's slightly above 60, but you could just call it 60 cents, right? So that's your next major resistance on this thing. But in the meantime, though, if you look to the left hand side on a smaller time frame, you can see that 45 cents, right? So 45 and then 50. Alrighty, that's your next. That's next. Honestly, this thing kind of seems to have like levels every 5 cents, right? Because this is 40 cents right here, right? Breakout, retest of 40 cents, go back up, right? If you look in pre-market, it kind of went up to 45 cents right there, and then went back down. So 45 cents, yeah. So hopefully it stays above 40 cents at least. TC is still playing with $3, yeah. So let's see what it does. NXU, NXU, that was a good bounce. That was a good bounce. Tesla is still between 250 and 251, so that thing still wants to go. MNPR is on halted, guys. Oh my days! Look at that thing go. That thing is halting like every 2 seconds now, isn't it? Wow. Anybody in that one? Anybody in that song? Let me take a look. If you're wondering how to upgrade to Goat, like if you're wondering how to upgrade your membership to Goat, copy the link of that video and watch it later. Yeah, guys, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already. Smash the like, hit that subscribe, and all the other fun stuff. No, because someone was asking how you upgrade, but so that's you can watch that video at the bottom of the chat there later. It's going to show you how to. So yeah, so where ZENA went wrong today was that it never broke out above anything else, right? So I think we were waiting for 320, right? You guys see how 320, like every 20, like so 420, 321, 2220, all these 20s are problems, right? That's the issue we had this morning. So we could not close a single candle above $3.20 for ZENA, right? So and that's what we said this morning coming into the open, right? If we can break above 320, that's where this thing is going to cook, right? Because it builds the momentum, right? When it's going down instead, it creates problems, right? So because you never know, right? So when you buy something on the way down or when it's curling up and you take that 50-50 chance, right? But when the breakout happens, it actually performs way nicer. So MNPR is clearly still halted, and TC, look at TC bounce, right? So TC is bouncing exactly where we said it would bounce, right? For the most part, it's bouncing off that demand zone, right? So this is the problem you have sometimes when you sell stuff at the level that it's supposed to bounce, right? So you look at this and you're like, oh, obviously, right? It bounced off this level last time. Why the hell would it not maybe bounce up this level again? right? Same thing on the way up, right? Sometimes do the obvious things. Sometimes do the simple things, right? It failed at this level last time. Why the hell wouldn't it fail at this level again, right? Crash once, crash again, right? Same thing at the bottom. We bounce one time, right? Why not do it again? So when people say like I buy and it crashes and I sell and it goes up, it's because they do the opposite of what they're supposed to be doing sometimes, right? Maybe this thing is just gonna get a lower high and crash again, but still, right? So when you're gonna buy a stock, like if you're gonna gamble on a stock, right? There's no need to do it at this price, is there, right? So there's no need, right? You're just risking money for no reason if it's not consolidating or doing anything, right? There's no need, right? If you're gonna take a gamble, you might as well take it at a level where maybe other people are gonna join you, right? ZENA is just a funny stock at this point, Nikolai. Just a funny stock, funny stock. So yeah, sheesh, EFSH got slapped. Tesla still just sitting below 251. That's the third time it's testing. It kind of looks like a cup and handle now, but 251 is still a bit of an obstacle. That thing just looks like it's going to destroy that level. Destroy Tesla. And then MNPR just keeps halting every 5 seconds, Every 5 seconds. Uh, LQR. That's a stupid Canadian company. Good morning, Kenny. You're watching MNPR. Is anyone watching MNPR? It's right there on the screen, right? Right there on the screen. Ooh, Tesla just broke 251. Oof. Tesla says, "Yep, I have my cup and then my handle, and I'm gonna take my handle to beat pizza with." That's a pretty nice pop. Uh, yeah, there you go. I'll take a look. Day trading easy. La 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 la. Eddie, yeah, you upgraded to Legends, right? You upgraded to Legends, Eddie. Um, so that's going to open up a whole bunch of other channels for you in Discord and a whole bunch of other stuff, and you can join classes, watch some of these videos. But that's not the GOAT level, right? So the GOAT is one level higher, and that's the one that comes with one-on-ones. One-on-ones. You upgraded to Legends, Eddie, right? See how it says Legends, right? So again, that gives you a whole bunch of benefits, right? So I don't know, are you in Discord? You should be, right? So that's yeah. So if that's what you wanted, then that's fine. You don't need to do anything. YouTube will let Discord know, and then Discord will open up a whole bunch of channels for you. And then you now have access to a whole bunch of educational videos on YouTube's already, so you can watch those. FAMI is slowly creeping up again to that 45, right? So for all of you guys holding it, right? 45 centis. And then if you're holding MNPR, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes in the chat if you're holding MNPR. If you're FOMOed. Bradley, yeah, congratulations. Well done. Well done. Yeah, so hopefully FAMI can break above 45 cents for you guys. Kenny, yeah, congrats. Well done. Yeah, again, so like I said earlier, again, if you're not a member in Discord, you're missing out, right? That thing was posted in Discord, alerted in Discord at $6, right? Breakout at $6 ish, right? And then boom skis. Here we are at $11. So you might see an on hold this time and then go down, but so just be ready to be ready. It does, Mullen. It does. It does need a good slap. It needs a very good slap. So Samuel, you're in at 78 cents. What's the next resistance? Let's take a look. DBVT. You're in at 78 cents. Okay. Let me zoom out. That thing ran to oh yeah, that was the other day, right? $1, right? So obviously again, like I'll come back to this to a smaller time frame. I just wanted to see, but you can already see like your next major level is $1, right? That's the next major level. But that's also the bigger time frame, right? So, but on a smaller time frame with your entry, right? Just by looking at what's been happening in pre-market and after hours, you can see that this is the problem, right? So right there, at right below 90 cents, right? Even this morning, actually, we hit 90 cents twice, right? So 90 cents. Still halted, and TC still bouncing up the same level, right? So still bouncing up $3, TC. And then MNPR still halted up. We saw. Let me look at that daily on WISA actually, because I think WISA slowly curling, isn't it? Is that $1? No, that's $1.60-ish. Okay, that's not horrible. And then that's 190. Does that match with? Oh yeah, it does match with that. Yeah, it matches with that double bottom 190. And then I think that was a pursuit for 120 or 220. Not bad. Not bad at all. MNPR is unhalted, guys, and it's pushing for $14. My goodness, it's halted again, isn't it? Damn. Wow, $14, guys. It's halted again. My goodness, 199%. 199%. Wow. Let me and now I really yeah, so it's same alert. The same alert. So they actually had news this morning too, guys. So they had news this morning, and then the alert went off, right? At sheesh. Yeah, at again. So 39, right? So like right around there. Same alert. Sheesh. Not a red candle since that alert went off. My goodness. And then obviously multiple alerts after that. A whole bunch. We love it, Bradley. We love it. What do we do with it, Sean? What do we do with it? Are you in it? If you're in it, then you're looking to take profits, right? Yeah, just be careful. At some point, this thing is going to get halted down. You want to make sure your stop loss is so tight, like so tight you could barely squeeze, right? If you leave that stop loss too loose and it halts down, you're going to cry. You see what the stop just did, right? It just went from 10.99 to halted at $14. So then if you let it halt down, it's going to open down like $2 lower and you're going to cry. So make sure that stop loss is so tight. So as soon as it unhalts, it better go up, right? Like it's fine. If so, imagine. So if you had your stop loss, like, so this thing was halted at 1099, right? So imagine you had your stop loss at like 1090, 1080, 1080, 1098, something super close, right? Well, guess what? That thing never even touched it. Why? Because it opened way higher already, anyways. So as long as it keeps opening way higher, you're fine. But you just want to protect yourself in case it wants to go down. You're like the first person to get out, right? Because the problem some people face is they're like, oh, okay, it's at $14. Let me put my stop loss at like $13, $12. I'm nice and green anyways. And then it halts at, you put your stop loss at $12 and it halts at like 13, and then it opens at $10. And you're like, wait, what the hell just happened? Right? So make sure you're protecting yourself there. Other than that, though, everything is super, 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 super slack. Super slow. Yes, yes. Uh, yeah, that's a bit of unusual volume for V size in it. Hmm. Bid is 16 and the ask is 10. No, I think that's because it's halted. I think that's because it's halted. Uh, BURU, nice. Very, very nice. Uh, yeah, you're done for the day. See you in Discord, try. See you. Yeah. So again, guys, tomorrow we're not streaming. We're just gonna be in Discord tomorrow. Alrighty. So Jaspreet says, if a stock has a lower float, does it show more volatility or interest from people? If yes, is it necessary to have news or catalyst? Yes to your first two questions, and then no to your last question, Jaspreet. So if a stock has a smaller float, yes, it's more volatile, right? It's easier to move up and down, right? So most of these stocks we look at that go boom skis, right? 1,000%, 500%, 200%, 100%, super low float, right? Like look at the float for this one, 1.7 million, right? MNPR is on halted, by the way, so 1.7 million for the float, super low float, right? So easier to move. Yeah, size matters. So when it's moving, it gains more attention because it's moving really quickly, right? Does it need a catalyst? No, it doesn't need a catalyst, right? It does not need a catalyst to move that crazy. People just love to FOMO. It's halted down. So on halted, right? On halted and halted down at 1249. This is why you want those stop losses super tight, right? This is why you want that stop loss super, super tight. Just in case it starts dropping, you want to be out first. Done. Alrighty. Did your stop loss hit, Bradley? Did your stop loss hit? I hope it did. Should I get out? Do you think the chart is saying so? The chart is saying it doesn't know what it wants to do. So if I were you in that same position, I would put a stop loss at $2.19 because it looks super weak, anyways. Alrighty. The low of the day is 222. So if it can't even stay above that, then that's annoying. What did you? Oh, you might have done a limit. Don't do the limits. What did you do? Did you put a limit stop loss? If you cannot use a limit stop loss on a stock like this. It has to be a market stop loss, right? Execute out, right? Plus, you've made enough monies in this stock that you should be getting out at any price. Um, Tesla is cooking though, cooking. Shamir is just smiling today, smiling. Something else I wanted to look at. I completely lost. Screw Tesla. Yeah, as soon as Tesla broke below that 251, the pathway, boom skis. Boom skis. Uh, There you go. BURU, yeah. I saw you guys spamming that one. BURU. Yep. 19%. What does that thing need to close above the 65? Yeah, slightly above 65 cents. It needs to close above. And then 70 cents. And then 70 cents. You were long and then you left the monies on the table. Yeah. Yep. TC looks like it's officially done though, right? So a bit of a bounce, super weak, and then broke below. Shamir, yeah. That thing is cooking for you. Cooking. I mean, these are the levels you were asking for yesterday, right? So congratulations. Right? Just be aware that it's approaching that just be aware that it's approaching the that major level, right? So yeah, lots of monies virus, lots of monies. And then NXU, you're wondering if it's an okay entry. So what is that? 63 cents. Yeah, right. As long as it stays about 63 cents, right? So 63, 62. Alrighty, Christopher. So as long as it stays above that double bottom, so you have somewhat of a double bottom here, right? Like bottom, and then you have the 200 EMA. So a bit of an educated gamble as long as it stays above that level. Alrighty. LRHC at 1. You bought it at $1. You're asking if you're a DGen. I mean, if you were, you would have been buying that thing at 50 cents because you're buying it 100% higher than what it was 2 days ago, right? Yeah. So just find a stop loss, put a stop loss, please. Pick a stop loss, set a stop loss. Never thought I see the day again. Congratulations. Yeah, you're a happy man now. You know, your wife can smile now because she was about to beat you. And then that thing is going for 70 cents there, Grim, BURU. If Tesla missed earnings and that thing went to 200, Shamir, you'd be sleeping outside. Your wife would be beating you right now. You're very lucky. No. I'm not surprised, Shamir. I'm not surprised, you know? I'm not surprised. Yes. Yeah, above 70 cents. Oh, let's go, Grim. Let's go. Yeah, you're very close. Very close. 68. Very close. Your rich mash options, paper monies. Good practice though. Good practice. Okay, we have like 10 more minutes, guys, and then we're gonna hop off and go back to Discord already. November. Okay, so cooking Tesla. Cooking. Cooking. Pretty nice run. $40 gain in one day. Sheesh. There goes 53. Destroyed. Virus? Yeah. What's MNPR doing again? Is it still halted? Oh yeah, it dropped all the way to 11 and then actually halted up now, right? How's the momentum scanner used? More indicator. It's used more of an exit or indicator for big volume. So if you look at the momentum scanner, actually the momentum scanner posted MNPR at $7.13, right? That this is where it posted. It's like, hey, this is gaining momentum. So there's a video in the education channel that says how to use the momentum scanner. Right, you want to use it more as a tool to say, hey, like pay attention to this stock, pay attention. That's what the momentum scanner is for in Discord. It alerts you when something has momentum in the right direction. Like if something is cooking, it's going to say, hey, the stock is cooking, right? Then now you have to go look for an entry, right? Whether you're looking for a breakout or a dip, a retracement, right? There's a video in the education channel or the Discord calls recap channel that says how to play momentum, how to play, you know, how to use the momentum scanner. There's also videos in the education channel that say how to play momentum stocks, right? So then it's basically the same thing, right? But Eddie, if you were a gold member, we'd be talking about these, on a one-on-one. But I'm kidding. Um, but yeah, so watch that video over the weekend maybe, and it's gonna help you. Yeah, yeah, watch that over the weekend. You know what I'm saying, Eddie? But yeah, so let me go back and look at the momentum scanner though. So yeah, so it initially alerted MNPR at 713 and then again at 1099, right? So and then it alerted TC, right, at $2.80. That was the first alert that sent today, right? It alerted TC at $2.80, and then again at $3.90, right? So obviously that thing was cooking. But that's what the momentum scanner is there for, to say, hey, like pay attention to this. It's cooking. And then obviously it alerted EFSH at 298, and then that thing went to $4.70, right? So all of those alerts that came out of that today, pretty nice alerts after the market opened, right? So la, 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 la. Oh my goodness, look at Tesla go. Damn virus. Yeah. Yes, that thing is on fire. This key points at la, 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 la. Time is your friend. La, la, la. Profits. Virus, beautiful, perfect. Shimmy is coming for you, virus. Damn. Like, thanks for getting out. Yeah. So again, there's a lot of educational stuff in the education channel, Eddie, that you can now watch because you upgraded. Because some of those videos are only for Legend members, so take advantage. If you're ever in the education channel, guys, or any of the channels, and you click on the link and it says you cannot watch this video because you have to be a member, it's because you're watching it through Discord, right? What you have to do is copy the link and put it in your browser, and then it's gonna let you watch it. Alrighty. So again, if you're clicking on the link and it's saying, hey, this video is for members only, it's because Discord doesn't know if you're a member or not. So just copy the link, put it in your browser, and YouTube is gonna say, hey, you're actually a member, so watch this video. Alrighty. And then also I'm gonna create a channel for lifetime members only. Because I know you guys are unable to watch some of the videos, so then you guys can say, hey, I want to watch this video. And then and then I'll have to unlock it for you. Alrighty. So I'm gonna do that right now, actually. So private channel. Uh, uh, there goes Tesla. Uh, um, um, uh, mm, friend. Sheesh, Tesla. Which, perfect. Uh, let's go, Grim. Pretty good comeback. Pretty good comeback. I just had to do some other stuff. What exactly does it mean when you say there's a gap to fill, Samuel? I'll respond to what does it what has to happen for that gap up or down? Okay. Thanks in advance for your. So when I say oof Tesla, when we say there's a gap that has to be filled, what that basically means is so even though so again let me see if I can show you an example. Yeah, I hope I can use one of these examples. I'm going to change the candles to regular candles, right? And then I'm going to turn my indicator off. So do you see a gap in the chart? Right? There's a gap right there. Right? There's a gap. So what happens is so the closing price of yesterday versus the opening price of today, the difference is the gap, right? So for example, let's use the exact date. So on Tuesday, this stock closed at 50 cents, right? And then on Wednesday, it opened at 80 cents. What happens now is it left a gap, right? So the closing price of one day to the opening price of the next day is that gap. Sometimes the gap is too big, right? So now when a stock is moving, people say, oh, yeah, this gap has to be filled eventually, right? Like we're going to come back down and fill this gap, right? Eventually. So that's kind of the when we say a gap, that's what people refer to. Like there's a gap that has to be filled. These gaps are not always filled, by the way, right? So don't rely too much on like gaps being filled. Just pay attention to the technicals. Righty. So hopefully that answers your question, right? And then we can talk about it a little bit more. But I'm gonna return my charts back to let's go, Dan the goat. Come on, Dan with the free memberships, guys. Dan, thank you very much. Congratulations if you just got a gifted membership, guys. Take advantage of it. Dan, thank you very much. I really appreciate that. Thank you. Let's go. You're welcome, Samuel. You're welcome, welcome. And again, so remember, those gaps don't always have to be filled. People just when a stock is moving in that direction, then people point to those gaps, especially on the way up, right? Like if at some point the stock was $5 and then it opened at like $2 because they had bad news, when the stock is going back up, people are like, oh yeah, this gap has to be filled. That's where it's going to, right? So MNPR still halted up, guys. Let's go, Dan. Thank you very much. Absolutely, absolutely. If you are blessed, bless others. Yeah, no, those free memberships are very very helpful. So thank you very much, Dan. Thank you. Grim mentioned something earlier. Nice comeback though. Hopefully, we get a fire conclusion to the week tomorrow. Hopefully, you're gonna make that money's back. Plus, you made more yesterday, anyways, Grim. So you know. Not horrible. Good comeback. Eddie, welcome to Goat. Welcome to Goat. Welcome to Goat. Welcome to Goat. Let's go. So Eddie, make sure you go to the one-on-one channel in Discord. Might as well get Goat. Yeah, go to the one-on-one channel in Discord. Let's see here. There's gonna be a link there's a link in there which I will repost now at the bottom of the chat, and I'm gonna tag you as well. I'm not sure what your Discord. I think I know where your Discord is. Perfect. So I'm gonna tag you there in the one-on-one channel. So use that calendar link and schedule a one-on-one. Alrighty. So there's a calendar link in there. Use it. Schedule a one-on-one for the. Let's go, Grim. The war cry. Yes. You saw it? Okay, good. Good. So yeah. So make sure you schedule some schedule 2 1-on-ones for next month, and then we should be good to go. Alrighty. Alrighty. Goat. Know what I was thinking about the other day? I almost need to do I hate when people become gold members. Cookies, no, not cookies. I hate when people become gold members and they have to wait like a week or two for a one-on-one. I almost need to do like an intro recorded video. Avocados. I'm always thinking of avocados and cookies, but I was thinking of something else. You know, because becoming a gold member and then waiting for 2 weeks or a week is can be annoying. So I might have to record a video. Um, might have to record a video in Vegas. This is the casino. You roll the dice and then you pray. Uh, yeah, Tesla almost hit like 255. But again, I mean, like waiting 2 weeks as well is okay, right? And then you cook after that, right? But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see what I decide to do. Let me know what you guys think. And I think also waiting 2 weeks for a one-on-one, waiting a week, I think it's completely okay. Yeah. But then a video would be good as well. Yeah, let me know in the chat, guys. Let me know what you guys think, especially if you're a gold member or a mod. Okay. Looks like ZENA bounced off 220, right? Like it's just playing games at this point. Just playing games on games. MNPR still halted. My goodness. Let's wait for one more on halt, guys, and then we can hop off and go back to Discord. Yeah. Eddie, make sure you spend a lot of time. I think what you could do is honestly, when you become a gold member, that's time that when you become a gold member, you've taken the step to monies, right? When you become a gold member, you've taken the first step to making monies. So what you should be doing at that point is, as you wait for your one-on-one, is spend the most amount of time in the education channel, right? Paper trade, spend time in the education channel and ask questions. Like really take your time. And then once we do the one-on-one, you can come back and say, okay, you know what? Let me get back into the market. And then we have like a bit of a last night and caught on fire of his Tesla. He lost control. 4 people burned to battery. Wow, that is scary. That is scary. Yeah. Yes. Channel, create invite. And then we send this over. And then Graham, you're done. I'm out for the evening as well. Catch you tomorrow. Sounds good. Graham, get some rest. Good comeback, by the way. Well done. Well done. Well done. Catch you in Discord already. Much love. Tomorrow, we end the week on a fire note. Again, tomorrow is going to be a Discord day. Alrighty. Tomorrow is going to be a Discord day. I have an appointment. And then, so we can spam Discord instead because I won't be able to be on stream anyways. Right? Graham, tomorrow, teamwork, we make buddies. And then the weekend. Right? So Friday, monies. Eddie, not yet. Not yet. I make more money on Discord days, so do I. So do I. Discord days are fun. We can just sit there and focus and just looking at charts, instead of like going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So yeah. But I'm gonna be all over the place because there goes BURU. That's 70 cents. Ooh. That's 70 cents, Graham. That's 70 cents. Virus, you in Discord already? There's that 70 cents. Do I want to add that to kind of, could it be that? There you go, 72. BURU. Nice pop. You took profits already though, right, Grim? I think you did. I think you did. 73. Oof, that thing was just waiting to break out. Just waiting. Just waiting. Okay, there we go. 74. La, 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 la. Is it a, oh my goodness, oh my god. You guys see that? Oh my goodness. $17? Oh my goodness. $17, 268%. After watching your videos, I paused at these red shaded areas. Absolutely, yeah, Bliss. Absolutely. They're usually areas where like something's happened there in the past, right? So then you're being warned, like, hey, hey, watch your back. Watch your back and your face, because you never know. Watch your back. Sender, what a monster. My goodness. Yeah, stuff like this you really can't predict though. Like you can just hope, Like, please, can I be in something like this? Tony? Yeah. Yep. Yeah, from $4.87, guys. $4.87 to $17. That's pretty impressive. ZENA is still holding 220, but clearly slacking. Clearly slacking. That's impressive. Very, very impressive. Momentum scanner was right. Yeah, Eddie, see what you were missing all this whole time? See what you were missing? Right. So sometimes, again, not that the momentum scanner was right, Just that, like, it's nice to be alerted, right? It's nice to be alerted sometimes to say, hey, like, just go watch this talk, right? Just go watch this, you know? The momentum scanner. Okay, do you want to move that up a little bit? Do you actually? La, 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 la. Okay, let's do to fix that later. $17. Is anybody still in this one though? Anybody still? Bradley is still in this thing, or did you get rid of it? Mullen, yeah, very impressive. You smell a drug move? Yeah, let me zoom out. I just want to see what the daily looks like. Sheesh. This stock has done some crazy things in the past, actually. Was that a split? Oh yeah, it's because of that split. So what is that then? $19 and then 25. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Now, if this stock keeps pumping like this, we go look for sympathy plays, right? Like, hey, what's next? Hey, what's next? Perfect. I think Bradley went back to Discord. Went back to Discord. I do have to hop off and go do some. Oh, there goes the on hold, guys. Here's that $19 from the daily chart, right? Yeah. I think it's gonna slap it, isn't it? It's like, yep, slap, slap. I really do wonder though if there is a sympathy play on this. I wonder if there's a sympathy play. It's halted again, obviously, because it's halting every 2 seconds. Halting every 2 seconds. Just looking here. That's if it gets a dip. That's if it gets a dip. Morning looks. Okay. Alrighty, guys. Let me know if you have any last questions, and then we're gonna hop off and go back to Discord. Ready? Let me know if you have any last questions, please, and then we will hop off and go back to Discord. Hmm. Yeah, perfect. What is the meaning of life? What is R7? Don't make me find you. What is the meaning of life? I heard this like one really good definition of like that question. It was really good. I really liked it. I don't remember where. It's something along the lines of like, progressing through life. Uh, I don't remember. It was really good though. Uh, Progressing through life, enjoying the I don't know, something about the process. No one cares. That I want to tell you anyways. I want to tell you anyways because I can't believe I forgot it. Regina, ah, potentially. We'll see. Nobody cares. We're gonna keep watching this in Discord, guys. Ready? Um, Again, R7 go upgrade and come join us in Discord. Don't forget to hit the like, guys, if you haven't already. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. And same if you're not a member yet or if you need to upgrade, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots. Cool. R7 Discord community. Alrighty. And I will catch you guys in Discord. I know, right? R7. No, in the moment it was very impactful. Uh, in the moment it was very impactful, and when you know something but you don't quite remember how it was said, right? It's more like that. Later, TK. Catch you in Discord. Ooh, fun is getting slapped, huh? Yeah. Much love, Dan. See you in Discord. Don't give back your gains, please, and thank you. Absolutely. Alrighty, y'all. Thank you very much for the support. Be safe. Enjoy the rest of the day. Again, we're going to be in Discord cooking as usual, or trying to cook, right? And again, like Dan said, smash a like before you go, and I'll catch you guys in Discord. Manifest you and see you in Discord. Alrighty. Have a great day, D. Alrighty. Much love, everybody. Bye, guys.
Hot trade, building new to the scene. Hot trade, riding the money dream. Hot trade, what's your strategy? Hot trade, come and trade with me. Hot trade, places, let's go. Hot trade, we're making that dough. Hot trade, watch the market soar. Hot trade, come on, give me more, give me more. Hot trade, always set your stop limits right. Hot trade, no more slacking, trade all night. Hot trade, it's on fire, blaze the shouts loud. Hot trade, stay green, make the crowd proud. Hot trade, what a monster, nice pop. Hot trade, don't let the game stop. Hot trade, from Canada to worldwide. Hot trade, come along for the ride. Hot trade, always have your own plan. Hot trade, ladies is the trading man. Hot trade, it's a pump and dump, beware. Hot trade, for the thrill, if you dare. Hot trade, it's cooking beautiful, he says. Hot trade, wild nights and trading days. Hot trade, this is business, no more slacking. Hot trade, join the fun, there's no backing. Set your stop limits right. Hot trade, no more slacking, trade all night. Hot trade, it's on fire. Blazer shouts loud. Hot trade, stay green, make the crowd proud.